Today let us see very interesting example in the circle. Problem: O is the center of the circle, QA and PC are parallel tangents to the same circle. AC is again tangent at point B, it is given. And length of QA tangent segment, it is 7.2 centimeter, and length of PC tangent segment, it is equal to 5 centimeter. This is given. And see that the question, find out the radius of the circle. Very interesting example. You can see that you have to calculate length OB or OP or OQ. You are going to calculate the radius of the circle. So for this, what is that? You can start with construction. Join OA and after joining OA, you are getting two triangles there. And what about two triangles there? You can ask, what is that? OA radius, OB radius of the same circle. So in two triangles, you are getting OA, it is common side. OA is common side. After that, you can see that QA, it is tangent segment. AB is tangent segment. You know that tangent segments are equal. So first try to use two triangles. QOA, triangle QOA, and triangle BOA. In two triangles, write down all congruent sides there with reason. We can write there OQ is congruent with OB, radii of same circle, radii of same circle. OA, it is congruent with OA. You can write reason there, common. And what about QA, segment QA and BA? They are again congruent by tangent segment theorem, by using tangent segment theorem. So definitely two triangles QOA is congruent with triangle QOA, and BOA are congruent BOA, and you can use the test by SSS test. When you prove two triangles are congruent, we know that corresponding angles are congruent. So you can see that these are two corresponding angles there. So what is the name of that angle? Therefore angle QOA is equal to angle BOA, and let it be equal to X. This is very useful further. What is that? Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Same method, by using all steps. When you join OC, what is the first step there? We draw OA segment. And what is that? We draw OC segment. This is construction. And when we draw OC, same thing is there. Whatever this OB and OC are equal, radii of same circle. And this is common, congruent side. And BC and CP are congruent by tangent segment theorem. So you can prove that by using SSS test. All steps are repeating there. So similarly we can use that. Similarly we can prove that. Similarly we can prove. What is that? We can prove that POC, triangle POC is congruent with triangle BOC. By which test? SSS. We can prove that. And definitely corresponding angles POC is congruent with BOC or equal to. POC and BOC are equal. Let it be equal to 1. Reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So what is proved here? We are proving that if this is x, this is again x, and if the measure of angle is y, here it is y. Up to this, you know that we are taking two triangles congruent. We are taking two triangles congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. After that, very important, you know that PQ is diameter there. PQ is diameter. So to this side QOB and BOP, two linear angles are there. So you can use that linear angles there. What about the linear angles? Angle QOB plus POB is equal to 180. You can write linear angles, pair of linear angles. It is supplementary. Pair is always supplementary. But we know that QOB, it is 2x. So you can use here, it is 2x plus this is 2y. The sum of the measures is you are getting equal to 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. After that, if you divide by 2, you are finding that the total of x and y, it is equal to 90. This is x plus y. You can take angle, adjacent angle, x plus y. It is AOC. Angle AOC. So it is nothing but angle AOC is equal to 90. You see that you are proving that angle AOC is equal to 90. Triangle AOC, we have to observe triangle AOC. It is now right angle triangle. That is your next step. What is that? In triangle AOC, angle AOC is equal to 90. So it is definitely right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. And in that right angle triangle, see that very important now, OB is the radius of the circle and ABC is the tangent to the circle. So this is perpendicular there. So you can see that in this right angle triangle, it is right angle triangle. Triangle AOC is right angled triangle. And if it is right angle triangle, AC is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. And on that hypotenuse, OB is perpendicular. So what is that reason there? Angle OBC is equal to 90 because by tangent theorem. It is because tangent theorem. So definitely we can draw the conclusion OB is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. OB is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. And when we see that perpendicular to the hypotenuse is there, again very important theorem, we have to see that it is nothing but geometric mean theorem. So we find here from the right angle vertex, If we find the perpendicular to the hypotenuse is there, we can use that. It is geometric mean theorem. So what is that? OB square must be equal to BC into BA. It must be equal to, by which theorem? Geometric mean theorem. Therefore, OB square is equal to BC into BA. BC into BA. But again we have to use that tangent segments are equal. That is the property. So AQ must be equal to AB. So it is equal to 7.2 centimeter. And what about CB and CP are also equal, because what is that? Tangent segments are equal. So we have to use again another theorem. Tangent segments are equal. Already we have seen that. We have used it here, tangent segment theorem. So it is equal to, by using BC value 7.2 and BC value is 5. We can substitute here. BC is 5 there and BA is 7.2. By putting equal values, we can write here reason BC is equal to PC is equal to 5 and BA is equal to AQ is equal to 7.2. Tangent segments are equal, and you can see that this is OB square. You are getting 36 and OB it is 6 and OB is nothing but a radius of the circle. Very interesting problem. We are getting many properties here. You can see that all properties revision is there. Radii of same circle are there. Two congruent angles are there. By SSS test, corresponding angles are equal there. Tangent segments are equal there. Tangent segments are equal there. Right angle triangle we prove there. And we use geometric mean theorem also. So big problem here, getting a revision of many points there. So this is interesting for you. You can try to revise this problem again and again. So what is the radius of the circle? We are getting 6 centimeter. So that is your final answer. So the radius is equal to 6 centimeter. This is your final answer. Further, you are using geometric mean theorem. Okay.